Hi, welcome to Vlogmas 24, day 18. So we are down back in our bedroom. I have us kind of cornered in our closet. And I'm going to take my closet from the rolling rack temporary to looking more like Tommy's on the permanent. We ordered two of those, one after the other, like one day apart. Mine was ordered first and never came in, so I had to get a refund, so I had to reorder. Tommy's was ordered second and came in like right away, so that's just how things are. But we're gonna get those put together and kind of all switched out. So let's get started on today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Now these white rolling racks, they're on wheels, are great for temporary, but only temporary. You can't really see it right now at this angle. I'll try to get a good video of that, but they lean. The ones that Tommy's were on were really bad, like it was leaning like this. So they're not great for everyday use. I found these on Amazon for about $130, $140 each, and they hold a lot of clothes, have a great amount of storage, have the ability to store shoes and boxes and just different things like that. And then I'm gonna get a ceiling track curtain system so that it creates even more of a closet feel until we develop more of a permanent closet solution for this bedroom. So that's kind of what we're doing. So let's go ahead and get started putting that together so that I can roll these out, put it in place, and then switch from one to the other. You will need yourself a good pair of scissors because this is wrapped really well and has a lot of zip ties holding all the shelves and stuff together, and you need that to be able to get it apart to start assembling. And my scissors broke, so another reason to have a good pair of scissors. So a lot of these shelving systems, wire racks, things like that, that all use the same kind of bracket system. So they come with two-piece collars, and I keep throwing them, that fit together, and they have an up arrow, so they fit together around the pole and lock into these ribs. So this one wants us to do it around the bottom at the same height. So I'm gonna just do it at the very bottom, just so that it's as low as it can go, so we get as much head height as we can. but you put them together with the up arrow facing up, and I kind of slide it till it locks into place, and then you'll notice it doesn't go anywhere. So that's kind of how that works. Let's keep assembling and go from there. Oh, and I will say this, it's called Uline is the brand. It's great, but there is a lot of packaging that is almost unnecessary. Every single pole is wrapped in plastic. I mean, it is very well packaged for shipping, but for getting stuff taken out to assemble, it's a lot, and it's not the greatest for the environment either. So just keep that in mind when you're ordering this particular brand. I'm gonna pause you at this point in the assembly because I need to move these to behind you out of the way so that I can really assemble this in place, because I'm not going to be able to move it by myself no matter how much I think I can and how stubborn I want to be. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'll pick you back up and we'll keep assembling. And I was even able to include you. So let's get you put back in place and we'll keep going.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
All right, now all that I have left to do is attach that to the wall, but I'm gonna have Tommy do that with me later because it is gonna take both of us, do some leveling and different things like that. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the clothes off of those racks onto this rack and get that situated. There are multiple sets of instructions, so you can kind of configure it how you want, which I think is awesome. But the only downside to that, like I said, is all the extra packaging. There's a lot of it. It's a constant thing that you're dealing with the whole time you're assembling. And then the other thing is that if I were to like want an extra long shelf like up here, I don't think you can buy that just individually. Just like a short shelf down here, I don't think you can buy that just single shelf. But overall, the Uline brand is phenomenal. It makes adding storage somewhere, anywhere on a wall, very easy. You can build a pantry with these. There's lots of things you can do. I highly recommend them. So I will link both of these down below, and I will get some good imagery of both of these so you can kind of decide between them. I will label Tommy's as Tommy's and mine as mine so that you can know which one you would be getting. And then we'll go from there. After I get this done, we're gonna finish up with our advent calendars. I missed yesterday, so because again, it's busy. I know you're busy. You have to be busy. If you're not busy, something's wrong. I can't be the only one busy here, people. Comment if you're busy. Comment the word busy. But I'm gonna finish up with the advent calendars, but let's get rolling on putting the clothes on this rack. Now we got that done. I like it so much better. I'm able to organize like all of my jackets in an area, all my crew necks in an area. I've got an entire work section. I've got t-shirts, I've got dress clothes, it's all organized, and I love that. So I will give you video shots of that, and then we will jump right into advent calendars. And now it's time for our favorite thing, which is advent calendars. I've got 2 to open because I didn't do them yesterday at all. It was that kind of day. So for day 17, got a little cow. And day 18, we've got another one that we've seen similar ones. Cute. Let's work on our puzzle. Oh, today's a candy store. Well, yesterday was a candy store. Let's see what today's is. Some carolers. So we'll do the candy store and then carolers. One down, one to go.
This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
All right, so that one was actually one of the easiest ones I've done because it was really easy to tell what way was up versus down because of the faces and bodies and different things like that, and the dogs and stuff, so it was really easy to be like, oh, okay, this is up, this is down, musical notes, different stuff like that. So let's show you that up close and get you out of here. And that is all I have for you for Vlogmas Day 18. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19. We are gonna do some party prep. I've got another craft to do. So we've got lots of things to get done, but no worries, we'll get it done just in time. We always do. I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye, friend.